lost in the forest. There is no signal. It is getting dark.
Stay calm. Listen to me.
This journey can change our lives.
But we are scared.
Fear is normal. But courage is a choice.
Tonight, we must be brave.
What will happen now, Dad? We came here for a trip.
Yes, it was a happy day.
Weather was beautiful, but suddenly we lost.
Our way. I was.
Very scared. Me too.
I tried to. Stay strong.
We must.
Think carefully.
What should we do now? First,
We stay together.
yes, we should not separate.
That is important.
Then we find a safe place.
I see a small hill. Let's go there. Good idea.
Walk slowly and carefully.
The ground is rough.
I am holding your hand. Very good. Stay close.
The sun is going down. It is getting dark. I am afraid.
Do not worry. I am with you. We will be safe.
We will be safe. I trust you, Dad. Me too.
That gives me strength.
We need light. I have.
A small torch.
It is weak.
It is still useful.
Use it carefully. I will save the battery. Smart.
Thinking.
I hear a sound. What is that?
Maybe animals.
Stay calm.
My heart is beating fast. Mine too.
Fear is natural.
But
We stay brave.
we must move forward.
I see a tree house. Tree house. Really?
That
Can help us. Let's go.
was there.
The door is open.
It looks old.
But it is safe for now.
We can Rest here.
I am
Tired.
tired. Me too.
Sit down and relax.
We need a plan.
Plan.
Tomorrow.
We find the way.
What about tonight?
We stay.
Inside.
That is the best choice.
I am feeling better now. Yes, me too.
See, we are stronger together.
Family is power.
I learned something today.
I too.
What did you learn? Never panic.
Stay brave.
Trust your family. Very good.
These are life lessons.
I feel proud.
I feel strong.
Journey changed us.
Yes, it did.
I will never forget this.
Me too.
And we won.
We are safe now.
Thanks to you, Dad.
You were very brave.
No, we all were brave.
This is our adventure story.
A strong story.
And a lesson for life.
In every fear, there is a lesson. Be brave and never give up.